Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product for aquarium enthusiasts, the Co2 Drop Checker Kit. We found this product online and have added the link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Co2 Drop Checker Kit? This simple yet effective accessory is designed to help you monitor carbon dioxide levels in your aquarium. It's essential for anyone who wants to cultivate a thriving aquatic environment, particularly those with live plants. The kit includes a drop checker, a special solution that changes color based on CO2 concentration, and suction cups for easy attachment inside your tank. One of the standout features of this kit is its ease of installation and use. The included suction cups allow you to attach the drop checker securely to the side of your tank, ensuring you can see the readings without disturbing your fish or plants. This user-friendly design caters to both beginners and seasoned aquarists, making it a great addition to any aquarium setup. The materials used in the construction of the drop checker are stable and aquarium safe. This means that you won't have to worry about any harmful effects on your aquatic inhabitants. It's built to withstand the underwater conditions that come with maintaining an aquarium, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Accurate CO2 monitoring is another significant advantage of this kit. The color-changing solution provides clear and precise readings of CO2 levels, allowing you to maintain the ideal balance for your plants and fish. This eliminates the guesswork that often comes with monitoring CO2 levels, giving you the confidence that your tank is well maintained. This kit is suitable for a wide range of aquarium enthusiasts, from hobbyists just starting out to experienced aquarists managing complex ecosystems. If you have live plants in your aquarium, this drop checker is essential for fostering their growth by ensuring they receive the right amount of carbon dioxide. It also helps reduce stress for your aquatic pets, contributing to a healthier and more vibrant tank environment.